super quick unboxing of the Heliocare 360 MD A-R Emulsion. So this is basically face suntan sun protector cream. I spent my whole life not realizing you get this for the face and using normal body sun cream. So this is a new one for me. Thought I'd give it a go. I think this is about $35. It's quite expensive. This is only for 50ml, but it was highly recommended by a friend of mine who's a skincare expert, and so I bought some. So let's get it open. Probably going to be a very quick unboxing. I'm just assuming it's just a bottle in the box, but okay, so yes, it is a bottle in a box. Well, that's what you get. That's the product. It's a really nice bottle, actually. Sounds a bit of a weird thing to say, but it shines quality, nothing else in the box. So that's it, the Heliocare AR Emulsion 360. And just for a bit more variety, that is a really small nib to distribute the cream, the lotion. So yeah, factor 50. Let's give it a whirl and see how good it is.